Good morning everyone, Brendan from Starpoint Australis. Well, Tuesday updates time again, and as you can see I'm sitting in a car at the moment. I've got some training going on this week and last week, so I had to jump in and do that whilst I could. So, updates for you. This one will be short and sweet, but we've got the pre-orders happening. I've been given advice by the manufacturing that we are looking at the 8th to finish the physical manufacture, and that's the packaging and everything and palletizing. And then I've arranged for my my QA and QC team to arrive. They're scheduled for the 10th, which is a Wednesday the 10th, to jump in, have a bit of a look and go through, making sure that all specifications and packaging seems correct. So once we've done that, it will then, I'm hoping by about that, in that week, in Sunday, that it starts moving towards port, ready for distribution around the world. So keep your eye on the website. You'll see that tick over probably on the 8th. I'll make that adjustment, and then we'll also keep you up to date. What else is happening? Well, we've got this week I'm giving a small talk. It's interesting. Recently, if you guys had seen it on AIC, they talked about dew control, and it was really interesting for myself because obviously I'm not a PhD or a professor in this, but hearing someone talk about all the things that I've done for many years and exactly how and why that works. So I'm going to give a little bit of a talk to my friends at AGWA. It's their December Christmas breakup, so I thought I'd do a small talk about a topic that could be quite interesting. We've got that. More work's being done for NEEF, setting up and getting everything ready. I think year on year we've been getting earlier and earlier with our setups. The first year it was within the last couple of months. Last year it was within 3 or 4 months, and now we've been basically doing a fair bit in the background for, I'd say, almost 6 months, which is making things a lot easier and gives a better product at the end of the day. Other than that, there are a few things in the background that we're working on, and hopefully you guys will get to see that shortly. It might even be in next week's update, but let's wait until then. All right then, well, you guys have a fantastic one, and hopefully your skies are clear wherever you might be, and we'll talk to you next week.